Where do I begin? What's up, guys? It's your Bolote back at it again with another vlog. I hope you guys are having a great day today. It is Monday, back on the grind. It's freaking raining right now. Car's all soaked up, wet. Poor baby's all cold. My baby's all wet. Kind of sucks that it's raining. It's good and it's bad. Drift loop, yes, you can go slide easily now. You don't have to waste your tires, so take advantage, guys. But be cautious of your surroundings and don't get caught. And if you get caught, don't say I told you to. Your boy just got off work. I did overtime. It's currently 6 p.m. right now. About to drive home, but before I go home, I am going to zip tie my intakes. Notice I said that right? Intakes up, because you guys already know it's exposed. You guys can see it from the bumper. They're exposed, so I gotta zip tie them up. I'm gonna do that right now. Zip tie it up and then maybe put a plastic bag in front of that intake so it doesn't get soaked. The only thing that sucks about having your intakes exposed like that, because then it'll get wet and you don't want to wet your intakes or else you're screwed. Oh, good news, prints are now live. Wow, let me just angle this up a little bit more. Prints are now live. Hats are now live. The maroon that you guys are all been asking for, they're finally live. So if you guys want them, go down in the description. Link is down there. Techlo.com. Get yours today. And guys, are limited. So once they sell out, you might not bring them back. So take advantage, guys. Let's get going. I'm gonna give you guys a cold start, but first let me fix this issue I have here. I have to zip tie this up more, like right here. And this one I had to zip tie as well, but so let me get to it. I'll pick this up in a little bit.
20 minutes later.
Put a plastic bag there just to be safe. The struggle. Alright, I'm gonna give you guys a cold start so I can get the hell out of here. Without you guys.
Tomorrow.
It is now current day. I was definitely not feeling it last night. Did not feel like even picking up the camera. I was just not in the mood. I'm gonna tell you what happened last night. Well, where do I begin? Believe it or not, I was not driving like an asshole. I already know a bunch of people are gonna assume I was, but it is what it is. People can believe what they want. I'm gonna tell you what happened. So I was going home from work. Right when I left my job, I got into this parking lot and I started doing donuts, just messing around. It was raining, so I was like, what the hell, why not? So here's that. So much for getting driving footage. Can't drive like an asshole in this weather. An empty parking lot. What could I ever do here? Man, it's been a while. I suck. I don't leave me before I get in trouble. And then after that, got a little bit of driving footage going towards the freeway. See, for those of you that are not in Cali, a lot of us tend to forget how to drive when it rains. So a lot of accidents tend to happen, which sucks, but it's true. We're spoiled over here, so we're in like sunny weather all year. And then I recorded a little bit hopping onto the freeway. I really wasn't doing nothing crazy. There was a lot of traffic and it was wet, but here's that. And then after that, I shut the camera off because it was raining. What am I gonna do? Freaking drop freaking second gear and start doing highway pulls while it was raining? No, thank you. Definitely was not gonna do that. Rear wheel drive cars suck in the rain. I'm not about to lose traction. I was cruising on the 91 freeway heading home. If you're in Cali, you guys know the 91 freeway. I was heading 91, going 91 east. I was driving in the far right lane, cruising. I was doing like 40, 45, there's traffic. I was trying to merge onto the left lane and I look left. As soon as I turn back around to look ahead, traffic was at a dead stop out of nowhere. I did not see it coming. I slammed on the brakes. My whole back end fishtailed. I tried to correct it, ended up fishtailing. My whole back end swung to the right, hit the wall, which I dented the whole side of my quarter panel. And then that's when, as soon as I hit, my whole car just swung back this way and just the whole car made contact with the wall and I kind of just slid against it. It was just pretty bad. Here's footage of the damage. Hi, George.
Hi, George. How do you feel, George?
I feel stupid, George. I lost traction.
Yeah, I was gonna warn you about these tires.
NT05s and rain suck ass. Well, broke my rear bumper. Quarter panel's done. Fucked up my alignment for sure. Have a nice, beautiful dent all across the door. Fender's done. RIP. Front bumper's fine. Needs to rewrap. And yeah, that's that. Hi, George. Luckily, there's a CHP on the highway, and he helped me get off the freeway. So this is where I'm at now.
Oh, my car looks good in this light.
It does look good there, George. I didn't get hurt. I was okay. I was in place. I had my Brom seats and my Brom harnesses. I did not go anywhere. I literally just freaking rocked a little bit, and that was it. So I'm fine. Nothing happened to me. I'm fine. Just sucks. I'm gonna be running it through insurance. As much as I want to fix it and pay out of my pocket, I'm not going to. I'm gonna let insurance take care of it. So I can't touch my car until they come look at it. I already bought a fender last night. I freaking found one on OfferUp, so I sent George to go pick it up. So here's that. I hear George coming. Yeah, I sent George to go pick up a freaking fender for me. It has a little bit of bacon, a little bit, but it looks better than what I have now. I just gotta take it to Premuim and get wrapped. And I gotta order my new door, which I'll probably do that tonight. And the quarter panel is already on the works. My boy over at Crown Carbon Crafting is gonna hook me up with another quarter panel. And then I should be good to go. Take my rear bumper, fender, pretty much the whole car to get wrapped. Yes?
Look what I found on the side of the freeway.
What?
A fender.
You're stupid, George. I already told him I bought it.
That would have been cool though.
Show me, George. What did you find on the freeway?
You ruined it. It's a fender the same color as you.
Nice. Let me see. Oh, it's
It's just buckled a bit. Nothing a hammer can't fix.
Nothing a hammer can't fix? That's not bad. I could literally just roll this out. It'll look better. Today, well, in tomorrow's vlog, I'm gonna be picking up new quarter panel. I'm not gonna be able to make it to the Tuner Evo show. As much as I really wanted to be there, I'm not gonna be there. Well, my car won't. I'll probably still end up going just for the hell of it, to support the boys. Rain and rear wheel drive cars don't get along so well. I underestimated my tires. Those are performance tires, not winter tires or this type of weather. I thought by braking, come to a complete stop, but no way. Fishtailed and crashed. So NT05s, guys, be careful if you're running NT05s. What did we learn from this? That anything can happen at any given time. So stay woke, be on alert at all times when you're driving, guys. And it just happened so damn quick. I felt like I literally just blinked and I was already against the wall. I'll have my car up and running real soon, guys, don't worry.
Meanwhile.
What are you eating, George?
Cock. Cock meat sandwich.
Not a sandwich, George, a bowl. You eating a cock bowl? Cock bowl? Eat, George. Eat your food. Don't play. Choo-choo train. Choo-choo. Chugga, 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 chugga. Alright, all done here. Hey, flame broiler. Now go back to my car and see if I get towed. So yeah, let's go. George.
My condolences. I'm sorry.
It's okay, George.
It's gonna be okay, George. Stop, 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 stop. It was lower before, believe it or not.
Was it?
Yeah. Go, you're good. You're good, you're good. Stop! Without tying it down.
I'll cry, George. No. Sucks, man. This sucks. Never thought I'd see my car on a tow truck again. Oh man, my baby. I'm sorry. I'm gonna get you up and running as soon as possible. Back at my house, now to unload this freaking bad boy. know what to talk about. I'm freaking out of it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Stop what you're doing right now and subscribe. Please, join the tech fam. Subscribe to the channel right meow. And guys, remember why you started.